For question 9, we're going to be working with the following graph, and we need to start by filling out the table. I personally always recommend when filling out these tables that you begin with that middle column at 0. The reason being, whenever x is 0, it will cancel out any x terms, x squared terms, x cubed terms. So for example, 6 times 0 take away 0 cubed, it's just going to be 0. I can then begin to work through all of the other ones. So let's start with 1. We're going to have 6 times 1, take away 1 cubed. 6 times 1 is 6, 1 cubed is 1. So we're going to have 5 just here. Now we're going to work with the negatives. So 6, negative 1, take away negative 1 cubed. Where we need to be really careful, 6 times negative 1 is going to be negative 6. Take away negative 1 cubed is negative 1. So taking away negative 1, that is the same as adding 1. So I'm going to have negative 5 just here. And then final 1, we're going to do 6 times negative 2, take away negative 2 cubed. 6 times negative 2 is going to get me an answer of negative 12. Take away negative 2 cubed is going to be negative 8. So it's going to be negative 12, take away negative 8, and that's going to get me 4. So now, apologies, negative 4. So now, when we do this, we're going to plot all our points. As I said, I'm going to start in the middle with x. Do it in red to make it more obvious. I'm then going to go along to 1, and I can plot at the point 5, which is going to be halfway between those. 2 is going to be 4, and 3 is going to be negative 9. I can then go on to my next example. So let's go back to the negatives. At negative 1, it needs to be negative 5. At negative 2, it needs to be negative 4. And at negative 3, it's going to be positive 9. So this is looking a lot like a cubic graph, which is good because it is a cubic graph. And the final step to make sure we get the marks is one continuous line through, not like that, because if we miss one, we will drop the marks. Doesn't need to be perfect. Again, I've missed one. I call it there because on an iPad it is much harder than it is with a normal pencil.